Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change apps permissions on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. There are two ways that you can do that depending on the way you want to approach the issue. You can either open the list of all permissions you have given to all the apps, or they were given automatically to the apps on your smartphone, by opening settings and going to security and privacy menu. In this menu, you're gonna have to navigate to the very bottom of this list, select more privacy settings, then navigate down to permission manager, and here you will see the list of permissions that your applications can get, and for each permission you will see how many apps have it. And if you want to disallow, for example, the location permissions to the apps on your device or to some specific apps, you can select them from the screen and disallow using this permission for them. Now, the other way is finding the application for which you want to remove some permissions. To do that, we're gonna have to go to the apps menu instead of security, and then just select the app on your device, go to permissions, and here you'll find all the permissions that this app isn't either has or doesn't have, but can be allowed to use them. And you can change the permission for each of them in the very same way that we did it before. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.